Alright guys, we're here at the big IKEA right there. IKEA entrance. Right there in the parking garage. So guys, we're here at the IKEA. There's Troy. Yay, we're here. I haven't been to IKEA for about a long time actually. A long time. Wow, it's not that busy. Wow, guys, so there's the IKEA entrance, and yeah, and there's some escalators to go in too, so yeah, it'll be fun. Well, we found a parking spot. Didn't take that long. I think we'll actually park in the parking garage at Target too, because they have one too. Ooh. Wow, guys, it is actually bright in here. What? It's pretty bright in here, actually. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna walk to IKEA now. We're at P2D, guys, so we gotta remember that. Help us remember that. So, I haven't been to IKEA. Like I said, I haven't been to IKEA for like 5 years?
No.
4?
No.
3?
Like 2.
Yeah, like 2 years. The Spooky Drawings of IT was here a couple weeks ago. Yeah. So, Mom, what do we need here?
Just looking for some organizational stuff.
Yeah,
Organizational.
organizational, thank you. Yeah, since in my dad's closet, actually, we had a little shelf in there, and I guess one day it fell. I can't remember that day. Okay, we're here at IKEA. So guys, I heard, thanks to Leo Kim video, that they have trains here. I don't think Thomas the Tank Engine, but their version of Thomas the Tank Engine was like their IKEA brand. Okay, I think this is right, so let's go up here to the IKEA, the big IKEA, the big boy. I think this will take us to...
Imagine if you played hide and seek in here.
This is like probably one of the easiest places to do a 24-hour overnight challenge in. I was right, this does go to another level of parking. Where's like the shopping area?
It's up the stairs.
I have no idea how to navigate this place. And we gotta go through another round of escalators, guys. Up here. It is actually. Guys, look at the view of... Welcome to your IKEA store. Thank you. I'm very welcome now. This is the cafe. No, that's not the cafe. That's the... Oh, okay. Alright. We have made it. And there's that... Actually, one time over here it was like really windy, and that sign actually almost came down. They had like a fire truck ladder holding it. So that very sign right there is fragile. Whoa, what are these? This is like a basket, and then look. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff, guys.
Do we go up?
A Burrow yellow bag. Shopping bags, actually. And they're playing a movie right now. Oh yeah, they do. Actually, they do have a little kids area over there. That is amazing, actually. OMG. Oh, wow. Look at all this stuff, guys. We got the cafe up here. And we got another section to dine over here. And you know what? I wonder if some of my school got the furniture from here. Because I recognize that chair from something. It's not from my 5th grade. It's from like... Yeah, Some of my school teachers actually shop at IKEA. Wow, look at this little area here. You got a nice little lamp that can move actually and spin around and like change angles. We got clocks here. $25 ain't bad for a clock. These little storage things would be good. I'm also here to look for some train storage here. And Troy just thought about finding a wrestling figure drawer for his wrestling figure collection since it broke. Wow, it looks like. Hold on, let's go over here for a second. I'm gonna go over here. Look at this. This almost actually looks like it, but it's actually fake. But what'd you think of this bathroom, Troy? Oh wow, this is actually I think it's like a shampoo dispenser or something. Look at this mirror. Wait, does the oh, it opens. There's like a little compartment. By the way, guys, my pop socket broke here. That's why I don't have a Irish pop socket anymore. It broke. Wow, this is like a mansion. Okay. Oh, look at this little like kitchen set over here. You see, this is what I wanted when I had one of these when I was little. It was plastic. Whoa! Look at this kitchen here. You got your freezer down here too. Keep popsicles and ice cream in. A sink too. That is a nice sink. Look, it's like a little step stool too.
Are you kidding me?
No, most of them are like $1,000.
Wow. $450.
That area is cool. You go in there.
Yeah, look at that like
It's like
land,
an apartment.
that like apartment landscape. Yeah, and look, you got a bunch of hats. Wait, can these things come off? Oh, they can't. Okay. So you got your little wall of fedoras for some reason. Nice toilet here, actually, in a toilet paper thingy. This thing to store towels. Whoa! Now this is amazing. Oh, look, here are the train tracks that I kind of wanted. Actually. Do they have a price on here? They don't have a price on here. Maybe they have another section with... Mom, do you think they have a... Do you think... Yeah. So, I did manage to find some train pieces with prices on them. Can't tell what they say here. Pretty sure I'm reading it. $5. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure these pieces do come out. Okay, here we go. I found some with price tags. See, I'm looking for ones like these little things that can come out. You know, these little things that can come out. But as you can see, there's like IKEA track that I want. I don't know why I want it. Okay, here we go. Here's the piece I need. I can't tell what it says. Look at this green, Irish almost looking thing over here. This is what I need, a lamp or something, just like so I can, that is bright. Yeah. This is like a sliding door. So there's like a nice little like wine glasses and stuff. Pretty cool. That like little dedicated kids area is also cool. Ooh, here comes the look at that one. This is like the play area over there. And oh look, I think my grandma has one of these tables like they can fold up here. Nice. Again with the step stools. With the step stools. Place for your doggy to come and relax. And yet again, another kitchen set. Oh, my mistake. That was a display. Mom, you're right. Those train tracks didn't have a price. They were display samples. I'm stupid. See, it had like that.
It's just weird. It's like it's not soft.
We're used to our
Oh. We're actually. Oh, this would be nice for the basement. Let's see how soft this one is. Oh, not bad. I mean, but
This is not bad. No, it's...
I don't have any food cons here. An IKEA pencil. Yet again, one of these bags there. Pillows. Is this one comfortable? Oh, nah, that one doesn't feel that well.
This is not bad.
You can lift these little bins up and... Oh wait, those are just lids. Troy's relaxing. So look at these little cabinets here. Just like restore all your vases. I'm being very careful because I don't want to break them. I think those are made out of glass. I don't know. They might be just for show. Or they might be super glued. I don't know. But I'm on a mission to go find the train section.
Oh, this one's the best.
What is this? Design your... What is this? Oh yeah, it's like a design your couch thingy. It might be a little easy to do some 24-hour overnight challenges in here. Not like we will, but still. It's nice to think about it sometimes. Troy found a recliner that's electric. I might try one now. Let's see here. Don't you miss this on Nathan's couch? You remember when it was electric?
It's so nice.
It almost feels like I'm getting lifted off the ground. Guys, I literally just walked over here to find out that these guitars aren't real. It's a guitar, it's real, but it doesn't have any strings. There's a nylon. Well, it's supposed to be a nylon string guitar. This one looks nice. Artwork. What is in here? Oh my gosh! Look at this like little area.
Mom, look.
It's almost like you're. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a backyard thing. Wait, hold on. And where'd you go, Troy? There you are.
Look, there's guitars on the wall.
I know, but they don't have any strings on them. Troy just pointed out these guitars. Here. Yeah, they're like, yeah, they're locked in there. We should like get a map of the store. I think they do. If I'm not mistaken.
My favorite section is the couch section.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, that one does not feel good at all. That one does not feel good.
It's a sleeper.
Oh my god.
I don't think this is supposed to be cooked.
Look at this thing. There's like storage underneath. Rocking chairs. These things.
Are these rocking chairs?
Yeah. No, wait. These ones. Oh, wait.
I'm getting these. It's old Bray Wyatt time.
Before The Fiend.
The Fiend is so good, though.
Yeah, The Fiend is good. I heard they're supposed to be coming out with a retro figure of him. The Fiend.
They gotta make it a tail figure first.
I don't know. I just saw some promo pictures of The Fiend on the internet. But then again, those could just be fake. Better check first. This rug is $50.
Why?
I don't know. Is it that soft?
Sat right in the middle.
Is that really soft? But it isn't really that soft. Oh, wait, try there's storage underneath here too. Oh wait, it's a futon. It's a futon.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Pull it out. Oh wait, maybe not. I don't know. Yep, it's a futon. That's always nice.
What is this?
I'm actually trying to look for a map of IKEA. I don't know if I can find a picture on the internet, but
I like this store with you.
I love this store.
There's a panda with a soccer ball.
Remember how like American Furniture Warehouse What? Ooh, this thing's like really bouncy. You remember when American Furniture Warehouse when we bought that mattress? They like gave us like 2 free stuffed animals.
Yeah.
I got like a giant panda, and then Troy got like a giant dinosaur. I think I still have the giant dinosaur. I don't know about the panda though. Look, a mini fridge. Ooh, that is not stable at all. $3.99 for this little cutting board. Okay, I'm just scared that I'm just gonna make this thing drop, so I'm just gonna... Yeah, this like little set's not too bad, actually.
I can be a gnarly skater.
That little cart at your
Is this actually for sale?
What cart?
Okay.
What cart?
in the front lobby. Looks like somebody has a really small apartment.
Yeah, this is how it can work, actually. I can imagine this being like a small apartment. You got like your section with like tools, a clock, so you know what time you have to go to work or school, depending on... Oh, look, you can like talk to people in the living room. You can talk to people in like the living room, like, "Hi guys, I'm cooking soup." It is not 10:55. There's no way it's 10:55. Got a little bit of an oven here. Got this nice refrigerator here. Tupperware. It's like the one we looked at a bit earlier, guys. Like the freezer one. Look at this. I think one of these, if I'm not mistaken, is supposed to be like, oh, yeah, over here it's like a trash can. Yeah, I would actually love to have this. Oh look, another little kitchen set, yet again. What's in here? Storage for toys and stuff. I don't know if it's toys for toys, but Troy's gonna break that.
Yeah, it's so unsteady. Look. Yeah, I'm not.
Look at this nice flat screen. Just kick back and relax. That is nice, actually. My mom's looking through these little drawers right here, or cabinets.
Look at that TV.
They should actually have something going on here like The Simpsons.
Like an Xbox could be in here.
I like that it's
Like hidden.
white, but it's clear, like you could wipe stuff off. It's not like painted.
This is a TV storage combination. It's $115. Now, guys, we're coming to... Hey, we're coming to, like, the storage area. Mom, we're coming to, like, the storage like area with, like, all the boxes and crying kids and stuff. And TVs. Dang, look at all these TV stands here. So we got, like, one of these here. Yeah. That's cool, it's metal.
What do you need?
Whoa, look at those little cats up there. I think they're cats.
Mom, look.
Hourglasses.
I mean, I think I want to flip ones.
I'm trying to find one that's not running. Wow. Whoa, I would actually love this.
For what?
These toy cabinets would be nice. Yeah, it actually would. Look at this one. $60.
No, it's the bracket.
Oh, the TV bracket. You remember when IKea?
That's a steal.
I'm dumb.
Whoa.
This is almost looks like a refrigerator.
Mom, look at how you open these.
Oh yeah, I saw one of them.
Strap of leather.
Whoa, there's actually lights in here.
So if you need to get
$10.99 for these little LEDs up here. Let's see if I can get a shot of them. Yeah. Everything is so high tech these days. Look, watch. Oh wait, I can't do it. There. That's super cool, guys. Like are you talking about like shoving like one of these? These like little thingy-majiggies?
Did you see this? This is a cat. look. That doesn't look like that at all.
This
Wait,
one.
are these all cabinets?
Oh, look, you got your books in here. Which of these actually? Oh, this is actually a book.
It's actually crazy. They look like screens.
Ow! I just hit my finger. Watch your fingers, guys. This place is huge. I forgot how big this place is, actually.
It's like in cartoons when they run through one of those and they get all chopped up.
Run through one of those or what?
Like anything.
Oh, yeah.
You even know what I'm talking about?
Kinda. Oh my gosh, it's a dollhouse.
Dollhouse.
I know, I just pointed that out. It's a spotlight. I would actually use this for one of my videos. Like, if I was ever setting up a studio, I would probably use one of those lights. Whoa. Oh! I have one of these chairs at my school, actually. Mom! Mom, come here.
Oh, yes, Dad. Right, just let her look.
Whoa. Yep, that's totally IKEA. Come here. I found something that actually is at my school. One of these chairs. I
did order them. I ordered them from IKEA.
Remember all the Trailblazer chairs? They were like swivelly in the library.
Oh yeah, we have those actually.
And I loved those chairs. And it was like you were the special group. Like she'd pick a special group every day to go sit on the special chairs.
Headphones right there. That kid over there's got a spooter, man.
Mom, would you like to decorate with a cactus that actually feels like a cactus?
Look how small this monitor is. This is actually a fake mouse and a fake keyboard and probably a fake monitor. I don't know if that's a fake monitor or not. Now these things, guys, these things look really cool. Look. It's like little like shelving in here. It's dope. Cactus that feels like a real cactus. Yeah, it actually does. Troy's playing Fortnite.
This is my gaming PC. It's actually
just... Whoa! Look at this very, very tiny little trash can. Wow, this is nice. Look at all these different chairs.
Now it's back.
Oh, look at this fake iPad.
Oh my god, Mom.
It's an egg chair.
No, it's like, Mom, look. Ready?
Mom, this is a really awesome egg chair. I can spin around. Woo!
It's not an egg chair.
I call it an egg chair, Troy. This is actually going to be a really long vlog.
Whoa, Mom.
Whoa! Now this, guys. Look at this counter. It's not 1104, I don't think. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Does this thing open? Yeah, it does. Let me see if I can open this one. Yeah, this one can't open, I don't think. Oh, I think I'm dumb. Let me try it. Yeah.
Right, why are you messing with the washer?
Because I'm just trying to make it open.
And look at these cool drawers. They close slowly.
Oh, look at this dishwasher.
Whoa.
That's like for
a trash can.
Yeah.
All my friends have that.
I would actually love to have a kitchen set like this. Oh my gosh, it's your leftover rice and fruit and vegetables and... Oh, there's like a little entrance down here.
Is this a candle?
I don't think it's real. Some kid ain't happy.
Oh, it's marmalade.
Oh, I thought there's gonna be like a little window over there, but no.
I want to go in here. This would be like a place where you put on your shoes.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a college dorm.
Yeah.
Mom, that little area looks like a dorm. Oh yeah.
I think I need one of these.
Yep, Troy definitely needs one of these. He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it.
Whoa, Mom, look.
My mom's just taking a few pictures. It is actually.
Look.
Dude, does this have one of those really cool trash can thingies anywhere? Oh, these things don't open. These things are just fake. Oh. Oh, that is a little. I love how it's like really disguised as a. Oh, it's this dishwasher. Maybe this will put like your silverware. I think there's actually a separate silverware drawer somewhere. I can't even navigate this place. It's so big. Groceries, milk, bread, peanut butter, jelly, juice boxes, apples, celery, cookies, cream cheese.
Or backpacks. If you didn't do that, and then you can put like keys. And then you have this.
You know what? This could be actually a little bit.
Why don't we have a laundry room?
Alright, guys.
Whoa.
Wow, it's like a bar stool. I would probably fall off one of these, actually. This thing actually rises up. Actually, rises up. This is a $109. If your hands are full,
Just open it with your foot.
it's a trash can.
Or you could
It's
go.
recycling.
Does this do it too?
It's just this one.
It's just that one. Isn't that cool?
That's expensive, but
25-year limited warranty on this. Okay, this thing actually opens by itself and manually. So let's say your hands are full, you just kick it, and it'll open. But don't kick it hard, because it'll dent it. Be stupid. I think one of these things.
I would love that instead of my stick.
like at Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Yeah, look, see these things like spin and stuff?
Look at that.
Oh, I shut this thing wrong. You know what, I think I actually need to flip this to the other side like that. I think it'll go in. That's how it gets its like little angle there. Troy be cooking eggs. Oh, this one has little lights too. Let's see if we can get a shot of those little lights. Maybe on a bigger drawer. I've been filming for almost 30 minutes. This is gonna be an insanely long vlog.
This is a nice pantry. Storage.
Walk-in pantry. You got your Huggies for Troy, and probably.
You could just come in here.
All right, I just need compost, paper, glass. What is this? Little art painting set.
Feel them. You're just sitting on nothing.
Look at this tap here. It's pretty nice. It's like an electric stove. That's your little. It's like a dining cart almost.
That is so weird.
There is a bunch of. Oh, look, it's another kicking thing. Ha. There's like the little motor in there, actually.
The dream.